Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to do like this small project of card of in NFT. It is a small project, it is not a huge project. So first I want to say for whom this video directed. First, this video directed to absolutely beginner who just learned a little bit of HTML and CSS and he want to practice what he had learned. First, we need to download the attachment that we will use in this project. It is contained style, the images, the icons that we will use them, okay? First, we need to download them. Here we have the download start, just click on it. And choose the place that you want to save this file uh, on it. Okay, let's create a new file. Let's call it NFT uh, project. You can call it whatever you want, open it and save it there. So let's discover these files that we have here. So first we have here the design file that contain some prototype or images, how it look like this project, how will look like this project, because we haven't done it yet. Okay, and we have here the folder called images. That folder contain vi icon and some other icons that we will use in this project. We have here get ignore, all of you know it gets ignored, and we have here the index.html. Okay, so that's it what we have here. So we have here our project. Let's first set up the environment that we will work on it. First, we need to remove all this stuff here. Let's remove this stuff here because we will create a separate file. We will not style it in this HTML file. Let's remove this and let's make it clean. Okay, let's do like that. And let's start. Okay, first we need to create the CSS file that we will put on it the style that we will use it in this NFT card. Okay, just click here and write, let's call it this CSS file, let's call it main.css. Okay, so here we create our file, the main CSS, and here let's link our CSS file with the HTML file. Okay, so we have here link rel. Let's color here, we put the style sheet and the type is text CSS. Okay, and here let's put the path of this our main.css. Okay, let's write main.css. You can call this file main.css. What is it? This file you can call it whatever you want. You can call it styles, main, etc. Okay, doesn't matter. Okay, let's save it. Let's save and let's test our file if it is working. Okay, let's see body and do background color. Let's see black for just testing. Okay, saved. Okay, it is working. Now we need to download the font that we will use in this project. We will go to the style guide file .amd and click outfit. So we will add all the style that we have here. the style with 300, 400, 500, you know, etc. And then we will click here to import the code that we will put it in styles main.style file .css. We had put it there here. So first we have here, as we see in this picture, we have here the card. Okay, we have a card. So let's create div called the card. So here div class card. Okay, and inside this div we observe here, or we notice here, we have the image. Okay, let's put the image. Okay, image elements, crc, the path of the image, and alt. Okay, so let's here put the path of image. Let's create type images, and we have here image of equilibrium, and alt. Let's put here the name of the image to improve our SEO, search engine optimization. Let's write NFT image, just like that, or cube. Let's write cube image. Okay, and here we have like let's see, we have here like the information about this image. So let's write div called info or information. Let's just write the shortcut is info. Okay, class, and write info. Inside this info we have here like the title of the image, or the name of the image. So let's do each one. Okay, and write here equilibrium 40, 3, 4, and 2, 9. Okay, and under the title we have here like a paragraph, short paragraph about uh, this image. Okay, let's write a paragraph and put this text inside here. Just a minute. Okay, a minute. Okay, let's copy it there, and in up under it we have here like the price of this NFT. Okay, so let's put the name of this. Let's call it info cell, info the class info cell, the information about the cell. Okay, and let's put that. Now what we are going to do, we will put this this icon and the price of Ethereum, and the time that he had put it uh, on. Okay, so sorry for that, my English it is still bad, but I will try to improve. Okay, so let's do a div, or just, it's not a div, let's put a div. Okay, info cell, and do strong. Why I did strong? Because this is very important line, you know, because the client, when he will come to see the price, we will need to put this price into strong to see to our client that it is important one, you know, it is important to see the price. Okay, inside the strong we will put image crc, and we will put the path. Let's here, it is not image, it is icon. It's icon, yeah, design images, and see, yeah, it is inside images. Okay, images. Okay, and put the clock. No, it is the Ethereum. okay, and alt, let's write Ethereum. No, just write Ethereum, okay. And under it, we will put like here, this price we will put it, okay. Let's put here paragraph that hold. No, we will put it inside the strong image, and here we will put the price, okay? 0.041 F, okay, like that. And then we will do this, okay? This we will do it, this clock and 3 days left, we will do it by writing a paragraph. Let's write paragraph and put on it image CRC. Okay, so here the CRC, the source of the image, source path. Here we have the clock. Let's put it. And here let's just write clock image. Okay, and let's remove the sets. And here we will write 3 days left. Okay, okay, it is very simple to write HTML code. Okay, now let's go and write this, the information about the seller, you know. Let's create a sorry, class info. Let's call it like this, info about seller who want to sell this NFT, whatever. Here we will put the image and the name of the creation, okay? Creation of Julius Wavern. Here we will put image, CRC, the path of the image, it's images, and let's put avatar, alt, avatar of person. Okay, let's write of person. And under it, we will write the span. Let's put her name on span because as you see here, let me show you something. When we hover, what is it? This? Yeah. When we'll hover on this title and this, we need to just change its color, you know? Okay. So let's do it. Let's write here creation of. Here this Julius, we will put it in span elements, span, because we will change its color when we hover on it, you know. Okay, so this here, right, Julius waving wavern wavern whatever. Okay, like this. Now I think yeah, we forgot something. Can you notice it? We forgot to add this bar that separate the body of this card and the footer of this card. Okay, let's add it here. Let's add element dev class. Let's call it bar. Actually, we have bar elements in HTML, but we will do custom one manually. Okay, I think we finished our structure of HTML. Let's see it on the browser. Let's remove this. After we finish the structure of HTML, now we will go to the main CSS and we will start to initialize our file and our environment. So first we will start with the body. You know, the body, we will change its color, like as shown in this image. It is dark blue. Okay, let's change it. Here we will write body and background color. and we will put the color that we give us. Okay, so we have here the natural and we have a primary color. So we will take the dark blue for background. Okay, so let's take it from here, copy and paste it here. Okay, okay. So Control S, let's see. Okay, we had just changed the color of the background of the body. Now let's add our primary colors into the root to use them later. Okay. Okay, let's go to main and do root and put color. That's what we will call it. Let me see. We have here the soft blue. Okay, we have soft blue color. Let's come here and write soft blue color and put this color here. Okay, what is it? Soft blue color. Actually, why we put those colors here inside this root? Because we will use the variable inside the CSS file. That's root. When we save our colors on variables, when we put them here, and imagine with me you have a lot of elements here and you use this color inside each element here. Okay, so imagine with me you put the wrong color. So when you want to change the color, you will not go each element and start change it. No, you will just go here in this variable and change it, and it will change over all this file. Okay, I hope you got the idea. Okay, so let's add another color. It's called cane, I think, cane. Okay, let's call it here soft cane. Let's add color and let's put this color. Okay, okay. Now let's add some. Let me see here. Yeah. Okay. So now we will add the white color, dash dash, white color, and we will pick it from here. Where is it? The white color. Here we have the white color. Okay, let's go here and put. Now let's use our font family here. Okay, so we will do like this. Go to the style guide and go to this website. Outfits. What is it? This outfit, and pick our style family and put it here. Actually, we just need the outfit style. We don't need this. We don't need those. Okay. I hope you understand me. Okay. So let's go and see. Okay, we added the font family. Let's add the color. Now we will not just get the color directly and put it here. No, we will use the var property, okay? And right inside the variable that hold our color, okay? The variable always starts with dash dash. Let's call white color because we will add all of this text white color. Okay. I think everything now is good. Now, what we are going to do, we will go to the card, our card, and here, and we will start style it. Let's go to the card and give it the weight, the height, etc. etc. Okay, let's write here the card. Sorry, I don't get which it's card or cards. Let's write card. No, card. It's not card. Cards. I think cards. It's not card. Okay, whatever. Okay, okay. So here we will put the background color and we will put the background that they give us. Okay? Where is it? The color. Yeah. Very dark blue main background color. Let's pick it, copy, and paste it there. Here. Sorry. And what we will do, we will add width and height of this card. Let's write 350 pixel. Okay. I hope that work. Let's go and see. 350 and let's write now let's edit the image because it is so big, you know. Card and what we call the image. Let's call it class. Let's give it a class and we call it NFT image. Give it this class and go here to the main and write dot NFT image and give it size. Let's give it width with 302 and 20 because we will add some padding. Okay, nft.image. I don't know why it is doesn't work. Let's see here. nft.image. Okay, let's see what the problem. Dot card is not cards, but card. Okay, okay. Now we will add the background to this card. Okay, so sorry, we put the wrong color here. So let's see. We have here the very dark blue card background. Let's put this color. It's not that. Here, copy, and I explained that very slowly because this video is directed to the beginner developers, you know, to, to understand. Okay, and let's add this card some padding here and here and here and here, as like you see in this picture. We have some extra padding here and here and here. Let's give it, for example, 20. Okay, let's give it 20 padding. Let's give it 20 pixel and let's see. Okay, I think it is good. Okay, I don't know why we have here some extra padding than there. Okay, let's see why. Inspect. As you, if you notice here, we have here the space here is small than here. Okay, let's see the image and let's see. Yeah. Okay, let's center this, all of those elements inside this card. Let's center it in the center of this card. Okay. Let's use the flex display. Okay, we will put here semicolon and display flex and flex direction column to rotate this images and this information. We will rotate them to be this image is above and all of this information under the image. Okay, as you see here, and let's put justify content space between. Okay, to center it inside this. So here we add some extra padding. I don't know why we have here extra padding here, but whatever. Let's add some those curves that here, as you notice here, we have here some border radius. Let's add a border radius and let's put 20 and see. I think it is good. Okay, and here in image, let's put some radius, because as you notice here, we have some radius here in image. Okay, so let's put it. Let's do the half of this border radius. Okay, let's do 10 pixel. Okay, good job. But I have here a small problem. Can you notice it? Here we have this space is bigger than this space. Okay, let's troubleshoot it and see why. Actually, I don't know why. Here I think we have some width and padding in the card. Okay, let's see. I think this is the problem, because those are so big than this image. So let's give it, okay, okay, information, and etc. Okay. Now let's edit the title. Okay. So dot card h1, and let's font size. Let's give it about 22 maybe, or 21 pixel. Let's see. Oh, it is so small. It is so small, I think. Okay. Font size 21, and let's add here the font weight. Let's give it a font weight. Make it extra bold. Okay. And then we will do, as you notice here in image, let me show you. If you do the hover, the color of this title will change to the blue. Okay, let's do it. Dot card h1, when we hover, will change its color to var, maybe soft blue, I think. Let's see. Yeah, it's not this blue, I think. I think another color. Soft scaling. Yeah, that color. So let's add here the cursor pointer. It is working. I think it is working. Now let's the avatar. Let's give this image. Let's make it small. Dot. Let's see what we call our HTML element. Here we have info about seller. Okay. Info about seller, and we have here the image. Okay, let's image and give it width of maybe 35 pixel. Maybe it is good. And let's add, okay, let's leave it as it is now, and we go to this paragraph. As you notice here, we have the color is soft blue. Okay, let's add it. We go to the card, we have image, h1, and here let's put the style here. We have a card, and we have the paragraph, and let's put what we call it. Let's see, paragraph. Let's give it a class name, class info text, or just call it text. Okay, go to the CSS file, and here put text, and give it some extra. Let's first change its color to the var. Let's use our var, and give it the blue, soft blue. Let's see here. Okay, here it is, and make it bigger than this. Let's make the size of the text or of the fonts bigger than this because it is so small than this, as you notice here. Okay, so let's make it bigger. Let's give a font size, give a 18 pixel. Okay, now I think it is good. So now I still notice that here we have problem. I don't know why this problem, but let's debug it. Here, card. Here we don't need to put. Yeah, I forget. When we put the flex direction, the the axis, the x-axis and y-axis is changed, you know. So we need to change this to align item, and we put center. When I save this, you will notice that this image and all this stuff will center inside this box. Okay, it's as you see here, or as you notice here, we centered all of these stuff that's here. Okay, now what I am going to do is, let's see the image and see what we are going to do. Actually, I don't know. So yeah, we need to make those equivalents with this, you know, as you notice here, the space that here is the same space that's here, and the same space that here is the same space that's here. Okay, let's change it. Okay, so go to let's see, info seller. We have here info. Okay, let's write here card here dot card dot info and give it some padding, some extra padding or margin. Let's give it margin. Let's give it 20 pixel. 20 pixel. Okay. 20 pixel is so much, but let's try it and see. No. It is so big. Let's put 20 pixel, and here if you write here 0 and 20 pixel, what does it mean that? It is does, you will put top and bottom, you will put 0 pixel, but in the left and the right, you will put 20 pixel. Okay, let's write and see. Okay, as we notice here, now we have everything is centered inside this. Okay, so now what we are going to do, let's see what we are going to do. Let's see the image. We have here the information about the cell. Okay, let's add it and let's style it. So card, let's see. Okay, let's get here we have the bar. I forget the bar actually. Let's add the bar. Okay, not now. It's about info about seller and info cell. Okay, let's go to info cell and style it. Dot info cell, info cell, and edit it. Let's add display. We will use the flex, not the grid. Okay, we'll use the flex and justify content space between. We will put some extra space between this element and this element, and center we will center those elements. As you notice here, this is above than this. Okay, let's center it, or just go to the strong element dot info dot strong, and display flex and align item is center. Okay, now I think they are this in the same in the same line, okay? So here, let's notice what we have here. We need to change the color of this clock, and the time and the price, okay? Let's change it and give here some space here and some space here. Okay, let's go here. Let's change it to strong. Let's see our HTML. We have here strong. Let's go inside strong image and give it some margin here to make this far from this, okay? Yeah, let's go here and go to the strong info, strong and image and color. No, it's not color, but margin rights, because we will add some margin here, right? Margin rights, let's make it 5 pixel, maybe. Yeah, 5 pixel, it is so good. And we need to change the color of the strong color var. Which color we need to put? I don't know, like we hover. Okay, so here we will use a soft sequin color like this. Okay, as you notice, we have here this. I think it's like this, but this is longer than this. Okay, now let's add some space here and here. Okay, let's add some space. Ah, okay, a minute. Let's see. Now let's edit this bar. What is it? The bar. This bar we will style it to separate this information and the information of this seller. Okay. Okay. So let's go here and write dot card dot bar, and let's put background color is, let's see the color. I think they are given the color, so the line. Okay, we have here the color of the line. This is the color that we need. Let's put this color here. Okay, and width, let's make it 100%. Sorry, 100%. And height, we will make it 1 pixel, because we don't need this line gets so bold. Okay, and let's add some margin here and here. Margin top, we'll add 10 pixel, and left and right 0 pixel. Maybe I need size much bigger than that. Okay, now I think it is good enough. So let's go to this credits of the seller and edit it. Edit it. Okay, sorry guys for that. Sorry. Okay, let's edit it. Now we will go to the HTML file and see what we have here. We have here the class called info about seller. So we will put this class in main.css and style this section. Okay, let's do it. Let's put here a comment, edit info seller. I think it is important to add, if you're working with other people, you don't work with yourself. I think it is better to add comment to tell the other people that working with you this other lines that we will put here for what. Okay. Okay, guys. I hope you got me, guys. I hope. Okay. I tried to do all my best to, to give you all what I know. We have here class called info about seller. It's right here. Info about seller. Okay. And what we have here, let's see. Info about seller. and we have inside it image. This is image, and we have the name of the creator of this image of or this NFT, whatever. Let's style it. Now what we will do, let's see the image and see what we're gonna do. You here we have creation of, when we have here Julius, we have here the color. Okay, so we will do the border and reduce here. As you notice here, we have some border around this image, which is white. Okay, and okay, first let's add some space here. As you notice here, we have some space like this. Okay, so let's add margin bottom. So here we will add some space. Bottom is not above. Okay, margin bottom. Let's write 10 pixel or 20 pixel. I don't know. I think 10 pixel, it is not enough. Sorry, let's add 50 pixel. I think it is enough. Okay. Now what we gonna do? We're gonna edit this image. Let's write info about seller and image, and give it some border here and make it around this image. Okay, let's do border. Let's give it 1 pixel solid. We don't be a dash, we need it to be solid, and give it the color. So the color is white, I think, so we will put var white color. Okay, here as you notice we have here some border, but we don't need it like that, we need it around the image. Okay, so we will add border radius, and we will put 50 to make it 50% to make it around the whole image. Like that, guys. It is easy. Okay, let's center this. Let's center it. Let's add this display, flex, and let's add here align item center, and add here. Now we need to add here some space. As you see in this picture, we have here some space between the name of the creator of this NFT, and we have here the her avatar or here his image or his avatar. Okay, let's do it. So let's add here some extra space. Let's here do margin or padding, do whatever you want, but it is, we need here margin to add the, you know, guys, the model box, the box sizing, you know. Okay, so let's add here maybe 5 pixel. Let's see if oh shit, sorry guys. Here let's add 10 pixel. Maybe 10 pixels is good. I think it is good, but we need add in the right. It's not all the boundaries. Okay, here. So 10 pixel, I think it is good. 10 pixel. So now, guys, we will add the color. As you notice here, we have the color like blue. It's not dark, but I don't know what we call this name of color. So let's add the color. Color. It's not here. Sorry. Let's add it here. Color var, and let's see the name of this color. I think it is the same color of the paragraph. Let's see which part. Soft blue color. Okay, let's put soft blue color, and okay now, and we will go to, as you notice here, we have in span, we put the name of the creator of this NFT between span. Now we will use this span to change its color. As you see here, we have a white color, not this color. Okay, let's change it. Let's change it. We'll go here and rotate info. We will write, as you know, guys, the name of the class, and we write span and change its color. So color will be var and white color. Okay, like this. So as you notice here, guys, we have here some space here between the this text and this name. Okay, so if you go to HTML and add here some space, HTML doesn't care about spaces, you know. But what we are going to do, we will go to the span element and add some extra margin here, you know, to the right. Okay, let's go and here let's write info about seller span. No. We had wrote it here. We don't repeat ourselves. Here we write margin, sorry. I forget to add semicolon here. Margin right is not left. This is his right and this is his left. And add maybe 5 pixel. I think 5 pixel is too much, but let's add it. Yeah, I forget to add something. Display block. Span. Yeah, sorry. Left is not right. Yeah, like this, guys. As you notice, guys, here now we have here creation of Julius. It it looks like this card. Now we need to add something. We need to see the hover. Sorry, let's see the hover. When we hover, what happened? Let's see, where is it? The image. When hover, we need to show up this box and this change to be a blue and this. Okay. So let's go to the span now. If I hover here, nothing will happen. Okay, but we will add the hover. Okay, info about seller span. When I hover, the color must change and be var and be the color of the soft blue. Okay, no, it's not this color. Sorry, guys. The soft critical say cane color. Okay, and let's change the cursor and make it pointer. Cursor point. Okay. Okay, like this. As we have here in image, and let's see the title. The title, it is work. Now we have something. We had one step to finish. Okay, this step is to add this layout above the image when we hover on this image. Okay, so I tried before to add it, but if you hover directly to if you use the image and add the hover, it will not work. But the thing that work with me, we go to the hover and here add some add div, and let's call it container, call it whatever you want, effect, or hover container. Let's call it effect. Okay, I don't know why I call it this, but and we will add this image. We'll put this image inside this container, and we will put this layout, the blue color, and inside it this eye. Okay, let's put the image and crc. Let's call it, let's import the image, the eye image. What is it? The eye or the view? Yes, we have here the view icon, and here alt, and let's edit view icon. Okay, guys. Sorry. Now we will go and here, well, it is show up here. It is destroyed all what we had built, but we will fix it. We will go to the card as we saw here, as we see here. We have a card and we have the container. So we will make this position, we will make it relative, and no, we will make this relative. And this we will make absolute, what is it? The layout. Which layout I will add? What is it? Let me see here. Okay, let me see here. Just 1 minute, guys. Okay, effects. Let's add the effect. Okay, so let's try it. Okay, now we will go and this container we will edit it. So here, let's go above and edit it. Okay, we'll put card, and here we will put the container effects. Okay, and make it uh, let's add some, let's add the background, and for, let's give it the color blue, I think, and the position relative, z index, let's give it 2, and go to the image. What is it? Our image, and give it z index, let's see, 1. Okay. Okay, so let's see how we can fix this and put, let's go to the, what is it, our effect container, and display flex. No, it's not like this we want. Just give me 1 minute, guys, and I will go back. Now, guys, we just have just one step and we will finish this card, this NFT card. Okay, so this step is when we hover. Yeah, the hover here is working and the hover here is working. As we see in this image, we need, when we hover on the image, NFT image, we will show up like this box inside this eye. Okay, how we can do it? We will go to the HTML file and create a container of effects. Let's call it container effect. It doesn't matter. And here we will create the div that hold, we will create div that hold this style, this color background, and the eye. Okay, let's do it. Sorry, let's here write div class, and we'll call it view. Let's call it view. And inside this view, we will put the eye, the image eye, okay? Here we will do image tag, and here we will CRC. We will put the path of the eye image, okay? Images and the eye, what is it? Is it the R color view is not eye, sorry. And add alt view, let's call it view, okay? So let's see here. In our projects, we have here the eye and we have here the view. Okay, let's edit this view. Okay, main, and here dots card dots container effect. You can call this class whatever you want. Here, I call this class that hold the image and the effect image, or the hover image. uh, I uh, I I call it the container effect. Okay, so let's go to the main.css, and here we will do the position relative, and go to the card dot container effect dot view. Okay, here we will do some style. First, we need to do the color, and that's it, and the size like the image. Okay, let's do it. Okay, here we have, we will put the background color, background color, var soft color. Let's try this. It's not this color. Soft, that color that what we need. And let's add opacity, maybe 0.5. Let's see if it works. No, it will do the opacity over this image. Okay, let's see. Let's see if we can fix it. Dot card, dot container effect, dot view, and inside the view we have an image. The is not the image element, and let's give it position. Position is not relative but absolute, and z index is 3, for example. And it's okay. Okay, so let's see here. We have the view z index 2, and we have here, what is the image? Let's hold on here. Card.init image. Yeah, position relative. Okay, now what we are going to do, sorry guys if I confuse you. Now I need, when I hover, the idea is when I hover, uh, we will give this, let me show you guys. Now we will give this z index of the layout, we will give it 1. And when we hover on this image, we will give the cover of this image z index 2. So, and then this layout will get top of the image. Okay, I hope guys you get the idea. Let's say how we can do it. Now if we go to view and we did position absolute, and background, what is it? Let's make it 4 and see if it gets top of it. 4. Control S, sorry. It's not. Let's see, what is it? What is it? It's not. But yeah, I forget something to add the width and height. Width, let's make it 320. And height 320. Okay, let's add some border. Border reduce 5 pixel, 10 pixel, I think. And then we will center the image 3 and opacity. Did I add here some opacity? Yeah, we need like this opacity, but as you notice here, if we add, let's make this 3 and let's make this image 2. I need this eye to get top of this layout, you know, because if we did here this opacity, the eye will not show up correctly, you know. So what's, I have an idea. I will go and I will pick up this color. This color, I will pick up this color as it is. And I will reduce the opacity and I will pick this color. What is it, the color? How I can pick it? Okay, let's copy this color. Copy and put this color here. Okay, guys, and I will now remove the opacity. So as you notice here now, this is a show up. So let's reduce the opacity to the original image show clear. Let's make it 15 or 17. No, let's make it 30. Okay, now it's good. So let's center this eye in the center of this box. So we will go to the view. Where is it? The view, and we'll do display flex, justify content center to center it in the x-axis, as you see here, and we do the align item to center it in y-axis like this. Okay, and we wrote center as you see here. Now we will add the cursor pointer. Okay, so what we're gonna do now, we will do here one to not show up, but when I will hover here, I will change this to 3 to get the layout, this layout, to get top of this layout. Okay, I hope guys you got the idea. Sorry guys for my bad explanation, but I hope you guys get the idea. So I will here go and write card dot contain or dot NFT image. I select now the NFT image and hover. When I do hover, what would happen? When I do hover, I will go to the view, this, and I will change the Z index, make it 3 to get the layout that now this layout is it is here, but it is under this image. Okay, so now when I write Z index, make it 3, look what will happen when I hover. As you notice, it doesn't work. I don't know why. Let's see, dot view dot, yeah, if I make it 3 it is work, but why it doesn't work here? Okay, hover. Yeah, I forget. It's not image, but doesn't work on image. But when we hover to container effect, okay, let's try to container effect. Container effect. Let's see. Now it is work, guys. When I hover to that container or to that div, we will change the z index of this element and make it 3. When we make it 3, it will this layout will get top of this image. Okay guys, I hope guys you got the idea. I think we still add something is to center this card inside. We need to center this card in the center of this page. How we can do it? It is easy. Just go to the body element and write display flex and justify content center. We center it in on x-axis. Now let's center it to the y-axis. Align item center. Okay, but why? Can you notice, guys, why align item it doesn't work? I told you why. I will tell you why. I will tell you why. It's not told you. Sorry, guys. Because we don't have the full size of the screen here. We need the full size to center this because we don't have the much space here. Okay, let me show you much better. If you get here, you know, we have just this space and we don't have this space. Now we will right here the height, we add the height and make it full screen. Okay, now if we make it now full screen, as you notice, now it is in the center of this page. I think we need to add something more. I don't know what is it, like if we want to add like shadow. If you notice here, like we have here shadow or something like that, let's add the shadow. Okay, add it to the card. Let's go here and let's go to the card and add here box shadow. Let's get this here to see the difference when we add. Let's make it 10 pixel, 10 pixel on the y-axis. Here we add some shadow in the x-axis, and here 10 pixel to the y-axis, and 10 pixel to the opacity, and var, and we add the color. Let's add this color and see what the difference. Oh, it is not. It's not. We add the. Let's add. Let's let's add some color. Let's make here. It's black, maybe black, and let's go to here and add some color like that. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Like this, like this, and here let's add some opacity. Let's make it screen. I think it is enough. It is good, I think now. As you notice, we have here like shadow behind this card. So guys, I hope guys you enjoyed in this video. I think it will be a long video, but I hope guys and specifically the beginners who just started to learn HTML and CSS, they get some benefits from this video.